The electric parking brake and automatic brake hold features make for great convenience. Whenever parking the vehicle, it's a great idea to put on the parking brake. And it's easy. Just lift up on the switch. An indicator in the instrument panel tells you it's engaged. To release the parking brake, step on the brake pedal and push the switch down. The indicator will go off when the brake is released. To use the automatic brake hold, first make sure the driver's seatbelt is fastened. Then push the brake hold button. An indicator will come on in the instrument panel. Now when you brake to a halt with sufficient brake pressure, such as at stoplights or in heavy traffic, and lift your foot off the pedal, the brakes will remain engaged and a hold indicator will come on until you press the accelerator. And to turn the automatic brake hold off, just press the brake hold button again.